Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert carve up animation in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to insert the carve up animation. At first, select any object. Now I am select the text box. Go to the animation menu. Click the drop down menu. We can see here many animation now, but here not available the carve up. Now I am select the more entrance effect option. Now we can see here the all effect or animation. Now we select the carve up, find and select the carve up animation. Then click OK. Then select the another object and edit the carve up animation. Then select the preview option and see the preview. Now we can see we insert carve up animation easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.